Hey everyone, I'm Grant and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing some Fox 2.0 shocks on my TJ Wrangler, and I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. One, I really want the best equipment that I can have installed on my TJ, but more importantly, I really need to replace the shocks on my LJ Rubicon. Now, why am I bringing up my LJ? Well, when I first got this TJ Wrangler, I replaced a lot of the stock components that were worn out, and I finally remembered the other day that one of the things I replaced were the shocks. So these shocks only have about 3,000 or 4,000 miles on them, and since I'm not going to be keeping them on my TJ Wrangler and I know they will bolt up to my LJ Rubicon, I figured go ahead and install the Fox 2.0 shocks and take the shocks that are currently mounted to it and use them for my LJ Rubicon. So we're going to get to installing these new Fox 2.0 shocks on my TJ Wrangler. These are what I'm really excited about, and this is part number 985-24084, and this is for a 0 to 2 inch lift on a TJ Wrangler. Now, that is an awesome looking shock. I have never run Fox shocks before. I am very excited to run them. It actually comes with new hardware on top as well. Those are some really nice bushings. So the best part about these shocks are they are a bolt-in replacement. Just have to get them in, put the 2 bolts in here, bolt up here, and then we're good to go. Alright, for the rear, we're going to be replacing the rear shocks with part number 985-24085. So one number higher than the front shocks. Alright, let's get these installed. Alright everyone, that's all I have. The shocks went on very easily. I think part of it was because I don't have the rear fuel tank in, so they gave me plenty of room to remove the rear shocks. The other thing I noticed, it did lift the Wrangler a little bit. I wasn't expecting that. Had I known that would have happened, I probably would have measured just to see how much. However, I think once I get the diesel engine running again, and I get some miles on this, it'll settle back down. But I'm really looking forward to seeing how these shocks work both on and off the road. But hey, it's YouTube. You know what to do. Take out more than you bring. Tread lightly, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye. I totally hit my elbow. I'm so glad I got it out though. The shocks went on fairly easily, and I have to admit, having the rear fuel tank. I got this. I got this. All right, everyone. Oh, I've started laughing. Now I can't stop.